Good morning, first grade, and good morning, first grade families. I hope everybody had a nice evening and is having a nice morning so far. Today is Tuesday, October 6th, 2020. It is the 25th day of school already. I can't believe it, 25th day of school. And today for your special, it is Tuesday, so you have gym or physical education today at 11:45. All right, before we go over the schedule, if you would care to join me for the Pledge of Allegiance. Okay. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Okay, very good. So, as I mentioned, 25th day of school. I cannot believe it. And I was able to trade all of the coins in for just one coin. Anybody know what this one coin is called? There's one coin that's equal to 25 cents. Yeah, that's right. It is called the quarter. So we will keep talking about this and learning about it, but we were able to get our first quarter today. So that is exciting. All right. If you look on the board, I have a half filled in equation and I'm asking, can you make this true? So think in your head. If you'd like to comment, feel free. If not, no problem if you just want to think about it in your head. But do you think you could come up with the other part, the other side of this equation to make this whole thing true? This whole thing true. What do you think? Is there more than one right answer? Is there more than one way to complete this? Yeah, there are. So maybe we'll get a few different answers. All right, excellent. So today, Tuesday, coming out first thing this morning will be your math application problem for lesson 19. Just want to make sure I said the right number. And then there will also be a wit and wisdom reading lesson, which will be a video, and then there will be a short activity following. It's a little bit longer of a video, so and actually there's kind of two main parts to it. So feel free to pause, take a shake break, take a little break between activities and come back to it if you need to, because it is a little bit longer. It's like 21, 22 minutes long. So I know that's a little longer than what we normally do. So if you again need to pause, take a little break, feel free. All right, so those will be the two things coming out this morning. Then at 10 a.m. we will have our 10 a.m. our word building class, or we'll do word building during our 10 a.m. class. And these are the letters that you'll need for today: A, B, F, N, R, T, and U. And if you could also bring a blank dictation paper, that would be great. That is the one that just has the five numbers, the 1 through 5, and then the space for the sentences at the bottom. Then we will send out, then as soon as that class is over, that call is over, I'll send out the activity where you can attach your dictation paper and read your decodable. And then we'll meet again at 1 for math. And then after our math class, you will be able to send your math problem set and exit ticket. All right, so that is our Tuesday for today. Just one quick announcement or reminder, and some of you may have seen this. The virtual book fair is going on, hosted by the PTA, the Scholastic Book Fair. So I've included a link to the virtual book fair on our typed up schedule for today. So if you wanted to browse, shop, check that out. That is happening over the next 2 weeks. So that will be finished up. I believe October 18th is the last day for the virtual book fair. So just wanted to let you know. Let me know if you have any questions or if you need anything. And I'll see everybody soon. Bye.